Hi, and welcome back to the Lodgify Academy. As you know, social media is now a very important part of most people's lives. We read the news there, watch videos, listen to music, shop, and even look for vacation rentals on these platforms. This is why, in this new course, we will teach you how to use social media to boost your vacation rental business and stand out above your competitors. Let's get started. First, let's talk about how social media has evolved from a place where you share funny pictures and videos in your spare time to a very important business tool. Actually, many businesses nowadays rely solely on social media to sell their products directly to their clients or create virtual showrooms, ads, and even measure their business performance. And this, of course, includes the vacation rental industry, from posting your property's pictures to show activities to do in the area or sharing your guests' reviews or other recommendations. There are so many ways that you can use social media to your advantage, so it actually becomes an essential marketing tool for your vacation rental business. Facebook alone almost has 3 billion users and Instagram around 1.5, so yes, thanks to social media, you'll be able to promote your business and reach a broader audience. So here are the main ways in which social media will help your marketing strategy. First, distributing content. This is probably the most used one. Sharing valuable content like articles related to the vacation rental industry, for example, or simply posting pictures and videos of your property. Then, to gain more visibility. As we said, with almost 4 billion users worldwide, social media will boost your business visibility for sure. Then, to increase the traffic to your website. As your reach increases, so should the number of people who visit your website, and therefore potentially the amount of bookings. Then advertising. This includes launching discount campaigns, for example, or creating paid posts on platforms like Instagram, for example. And finally, raise your brand awareness by building a community of followers who will help your business grow and get more recognition. However, if you want to be effective with this, you need to learn how to use the different channels and set realistic goals to make sure that you achieve the best possible results for your business. So, let's have a look at the different topics that we'll cover in the course. In the first chapter, we talk about your social media plan. As for many other actions and initiatives about your business, you need to be strategic and create a plan for your social media efforts. So we talk about how to define an overall social media strategy and how to set realistic goals and plan how to achieve them. Then we also talk about the type of content and how to adapt it to the different platforms. This is very important because each one of them has its preferred type of content. Another important step that we'll cover is how to integrate your social media into your daily management routine. This means I will have a look at how you can schedule your day-to-day tasks so you can be more efficient. And of course, we'll also teach you how to get more followers and how to measure the reach and impact of your social media actions. In the second chapter, we'll have a look at the main social media platforms you can use for your vacation rental business. We'll have a practical approach so we can see how to use them, their specificities, their target audiences, and how to create and set up an appealing account for your business. So we'll deep dive into Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Pinterest, and LinkedIn. So as a vacation rental owner, you get to see how these platforms will help you promote your business in different ways. And in the last chapter, we'll teach you how to go from a simple social media user to a true professional. This includes best practices and what to avoid if you want to use your social media as an effective marketing tool for your business. We'll also teach you how to use them for branding and how to build a community. And we'll go further by talking about paying ads and how to collaborate with influencers and more. This is all for the introduction to this course. If you're ready, you can click on Next and get started with the first lesson to learn about the social media plan. So, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.